Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can log out of your Dex Trade mobile application. To log out of your Dex Trade account using mobile device, first of all open up your Dex Trade app and make sure that you're inside the home page. After you are in the home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu option, scroll all the way down and look for the logout option. Once you see that, tap on log out and you will be logged out immediately from your account. You will now be taken to the login screen. Make sure to log out whenever you are done trading, especially on shared or public devices, to keep your account secure. That's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.